Welcome to today's session. Today I am going to explain the solution of some basics Python problems using coding bag. I will take the warm-up 1 sessions in Python. I think in the last video we have already explained these first 3 questions. I will be moving to the 4th question, missing char. What is the question here? Given a non-empty string and an int n, return a new string where the char at index has been removed, the value of n will be valid index of char in the original string. That is, n will be in the range of 0 to length of string minus 1 inclusive. Here this function itself, you can see first argument is a string and second one is a integer number that is given here in the question. And what we want to do means, in this example you can see the string and an index it is given. We are removing the character from the particular index. You can see the first index is I, it is coming, and we are removing I from this kitten string, and it is the output is like this. In the second example, in the 0th position we are removing, here 0th position character is k, we removed it, and 4th position we have e here and it removed it. We will see how we can build the logic for this. We have string str as a string and n is the index. I will initialize a variable front equal to str. Will be doing a string slicing of what it will be doing. It will be slicing the string from the position n. It will be exclusive of n, means here it is 4. 4th index element is e. We will be slicing from k to t. This kitt will be coming, and back is equal to str of n plus 1. It will be fetching from n plus 1 to till the end of the string. From n it will be starting, we will be getting n here. Okay, return front plus back. It will be concatenating and returning it. That will be the output. Here it is passed. You can see the output here. It is got passed. I think you understood this. What it is done means symbol string slicing from 0th position to the n. We sliced it and got in one variable. From n plus 1 position index to the last of the string, it is came in the back, and we concatenated and returned it from the function. We will move to next question. This is monkey trouble question. We will go through the question here. We have two monkeys, A and B. The parameter A smile and B smile indicate if each is smiling. We are in trouble if both are smiling or neither of them is smiling. Return true if we are in trouble. We are in trouble if both of the monkeys are smiling, means it will return true. That is happened here. And we are in trouble, neither of them are in smile. It is here and it will be returning true. Otherwise, it will be a false. We will do this. Return of A smile and B smile, or not A smile and not B smile. Executed. It is getting paused. The same logic we can apply in little different way. We will use if statement. If A smile and B smile, or not A smile. and not be smile. I will put a parenthesis here and here also, not smile and not be smile. Then return true, else return false. We'll see the output. It is getting passed. I think you understood this. This is a simple logic in Python. We'll move back and we'll see the other question. Next one is also related to a trouble. It is parrot trouble. We'll go through the question. We have a loud talking parrot. Our parameter is the current time range 0 to 23. We are in trouble if the parrot is talking and the hour is before 7 or after 20. Return true if we are in trouble. If the time is before 7 or after 20 and the parrot is talking, means we are in trouble. The trouble time it will be returning true. You can see this. We will return the same way, return statement. Talking and hour is less than 7 or talking and hour is greater than 20. Give a space as per Python syntax. We'll see executing. It is getting paused. You can see paused. The result is all are correct. In this case, what is the logic here? There are two parameters we need to check. It should be confirmed like parrot is talking, and the time should be less than 7 or should be greater than 20. Will be returning true, otherwise it will be false. I think you understood this question and all the question which I explained here. We will be continuing the same activity in coming videos also. Keep watching my video. Thank you.